Griffin Health combines internationally recognized patient-centered care in an award-winning healing environment with the most advanced surgical technique available to provide an unparalleled hip replacement experience.
If you were looking to have hip surgery, you would have to insist on Griffin Hospital and the anterior hip approach.
What's important about the anterior approach is that there's a group of muscles in the front of your hip that we are able to open rather than dissect. The main advantage in not cutting muscle is people are allowed to move their hip in any position they would want and get back to their normal lifestyle a lot more quickly.
I love the anterior approach because they don't cut any muscles, and I was up and walking within 3 hours of my surgery. I'm so thrilled to be back with my friends, laughing, joking, and walking, and they can't keep up with me.
What is so rewarding for me is to see people returning to the activities that they hadn't done in decades.
See Lisa's full story at griffinhealth.org/joint. Griffin Health, empowering people, advancing care.